Hi everyone, it's Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with the craft haul video. I have some items that I purchased from Stampin' Up and from Hobby Lobby, and then something I purchased from a YouTuber here online, Jocelyn's Designs. So let's get started. So I went back to Hobby Lobby and was able to pick up a couple of more items on the 66% off Christmas. And I picked up these really cute reindeer stickers, and they're glitter with the little Rudolph nose. So it's 8 of those. And then these really pretty snowflakes embellishments, 10-piece, and I thought those were really nice. And I also picked up these Merry Christmas foil stickers. I'm kind of concerned that maybe when you adhere them to something that you'll see the the acetate. Not sure, but they were super cheap, so I got these, and it's 40 pieces in here. Oh, some more of those little reindeer stickers. I didn't know I had 2 of them, so there they are. And then I picked up these small silver glitter poinsettias, or poinsettias, or however you say it. I thought these were really pretty and elegant with the silver, and it doesn't look like in the packaging that the glitter isn't, it's not coming off, so I like that. And then I picked up these really cute puffy stickers. There's 16 pieces of these, and I really like that moose, or reindeer, sorry. And very cute. And then I picked up these epoxy snow globe stickers. There's 20 of those. Look at the little gingerbread man with his broken leg and say, "Oh snap." That's so adorable. And then I picked up these 18-piece 3D country tag chipboard pieces. And these are really cute. I like the piece. I always like peace at Christmas time. And the rejoice, which you can, man, I got a glare going there, huh? Serious glare. Alright, so that's all I got from Hobby Lobby, and probably not going back for more. And then Stampin' Up! Had a few items that were marked down that I purchased. I thought I'd try their snail adhesive. I know it's pretty popular. I did order some of the refills, but they are on back order, so I didn't get those as of yet. But this is a refillable, so I wanted to try that. I like to always have an alternative to my glitter glue in case my glitter glue runs out, which shouldn't happen, but you never know. And then I picked up this really pretty Whisper White ribbon. Stampin' Up! Has the prettiest ribbon. Look at that. It's really nice. Can't wait to use that on a project. And then I picked up this gift wrapped stamp set, and it comes with all the different bows. There's 5 of them, and then it also has some sentiment wrapped especially for you, tied with love, a very Merry Christmas, celebrate in style, and then it has a little baby tag, and then some holly and some little stars. Super, super cute. And then I also picked up these, the die. Yeah, so got that to sets. And then I did stamp out and punch out a couple of the bows in red. Super cute. And these will look pretty on white, and then you can color them. And then this is my favorite. I wish there was a die for this one, but you can fussy cut that. I just didn't do it today, so that wouldn't be too hard. That's adorable. So that was from Stampin' Up. And then I was watching one of the YouTubers online here, Jocelyn Designs, Mimi, and she was showing where she made these coasters, and I just fell in love with them, and I contacted her, and I was able to place an order. And so this is her YouTube channel, Mimi Jocelyn Designs. She was super sweet in getting back with me, and I told her that my order was no rush because it wasn't a gift or anything, but yet I still got it, and I got it yesterday. So I opened the box, and here it is. It's hard to show on camera. Let me pull my camera up a little. This is the box. I opened it, pulled my address off and stuff because I wanted to unwrap it on my not live, but here on video on my channel. And it had paper in it. And then I saw this really pretty filler. I thought that was really a nice touch. So I'm gonna see these with you guys for the first time. And they're in there. So I ordered one that was orange and green, I believe, and I wanted 2 of them. And then I asked her to surprise me with the other color, and she was so sweet, and she emailed me, well, I don't want to send a color that you don't like. And so I told her I'm sure I'd be happy with what she sent. I think I told her I didn't want red. I'm not sure, but she has it packaged up really well. So let's see what we have here. And she has her little card, and she says, thank you. She says, your item was handcrafted with care and attention to detail. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Super, super sweet. And it's Mimi Jocelyn Designs. And look how she wrapped them up. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I almost don't want to open it like a present. So here's the first one. She has it in this cute little box. I'm having trouble with. Oh wow, orange. I ordered orange and green. How pretty is that? And she has the gold on the outside. And then she included the little feet so you can sit it up on your desk. Oh, Mimi, this is really pretty. This is perfect for my craft. Gosh, I don't know which side I like best. Perfect for my craft room. I think, I'm not sure, but maybe this is the bottom because she had it in here like that. But look how pretty that is. And look at the glitter and all the pieces in there. And it's lighter than I anticipated. So I'm glad about that. What a great job. Super cool. I love it. Now this next one, like I said, I didn't tell her the color. Let's see what she chose for me. Oh man, it looks like it's blue, which blue always looks pretty. Blue and purple. I should have just slid that off. Okay. Oh wow, this one is really pretty too. Look at that. Great job. And then I told her I wanted it silver. Oh man, this is really nice. I like this. And then that's the bottom, because more looks like the bottom would be where the glitter and other things have kind of settled down on the bottom, but the top, it's like some of them are floating. Man, the camera's doing a good job of catching the color. Oh my God, look at that one, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, Mimi. These are perfect. Nothing wrong with them at all. And if you guys are interested, her channel is Mimi Jocelyn Designs here on YouTube, so check her out. Super, super nice. So that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if I don't talk to you before Christmas, Merry Christmas. And I hope you enjoy the holiday. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.